The following message is transmitted at the request of the Food and Drug Administration and the United States government. A food contamination warning has been lifted for the entire United States due to an extremely deadly toxin called the soft drink virus, found in many of the popular soft drinks that were increasingly manufactured. These soft drinks include Fanta, Sprite, Pepsi, 7-Up, Mountain Dew, Mellow Yellow, Dr. Pepper, A&W Root Beer, and any Coke-type version of sodas. The soft drink virus is known as the deadliest toxin in the world, and only a small sip from the infected drink will kill you in a matter of seconds. Symptoms from this toxin include extreme headaches, nausea, dizziness, massive bleeding from the mouth, eyes, nose and ears, loss of balance, blurred vision, drooping eyelids, abdominal cramps, vomiting, blood, and death from suffocation. If you drank soda in the last 40 seconds, you will face certain death from the soda virus toxin, as there is no known cure for it. Once you have taken a sip from one of the infected sodas, you will immediately experience the symptoms and you'll face certain death within 1 minute. It has been reported that 300 people have already died from this deadly toxin. This is an extremely dangerous situation and should be taken very seriously. Every resident in the United States must do the following instructions. Do not drink any soda, or you will face certain death if you do so. Instead, put the soda back where it came from and the National Guard will take it to an undisclosed location. All sodas have been recalled and will not be sold to anybody until the situation has been dealt with. Tune into TV and radio stations for more information on this dangerous situation.